Everyone's asking the same thing. Will AI replace customer service, or is something much bigger happening? Customer service teams are overwhelmed, slow replies, long queues, and systems that simply can't keep up. AI responds instantly across calls, chats, and emails. No stress, no delays. Support at superhuman speed. AIVorys gives businesses an AI assistant that handles conversations automatically, reducing workload in seconds. With Carefreecomputing, AI doesn't just reply, it diagnoses issues and fixes problems instantly and reliably. Clinics, hotels, and online stores are adopting AI because it's faster, more affordable, and never stops working. Humans handle tasks one by one. AI handles hundreds at once. The speed gap is massive, and it changes everything. AI instantly responds on chat, phone, email, and websites. Every channel, every time, without delays. When customers get fast answers, frustration disappears. Faster support always creates happier customers. The future isn't AI replacing humans. It's AI handling repetitive tasks so people can focus on what matters. AI filters, organizes, and solves most tasks automatically, letting humans focus only on high-value work. AI scales instantly as your business grows, taking on more work without needing more staff. AI works day and night across every time zone, delivering instant support even when your team is offline. With layered protection and controlled systems, AI support becomes safe, transparent, and fully trustworthy. The future is clear. AI handles the heavy lifting, and humans focus on decisions, creativity, and relationships. For more AI insights and real-world examples, make sure to subscribe and follow along.